Hello guys and welcome back to TechWolf. Today we are going to discuss what is Osint or open source intelligence. Open source intelligence, or commonly known as Osint, refers to the process of gathering information from publicly available sources to analyze and produce actionable intelligence. This can include data from websites, social media, news articles, public records and other open source resources. Osint is widely used in fields like cybersecurity, law enforcement, and research to track activities, monitor threats, and support decision making. For example, analysts might use Osint to identify potential cybersecurity threats by monitoring forums and social media for hacking activities, conduct background checks by gathering information from social media profiles and public records, and track political or social movements by analyzing news reports and online discussions. And to summarize Osint, or open source intelligence, Osint is powerful because it leverages the vast amount of information available online, turning it into valuable insights.